Hello everyone, I'm Chef Mike and today I have something special for you. I'm gonna show you how you can make exclusive croissant ice cream at home. So let's do it. Ingredients for this recipe are very simple. You will need heavy cream, milk, sugar, glucose, croissant and salt. You start by mixing all the ingredients except the croissant inside a pot and bring it to the boil. Then you can put the croissant in, cook it for around 30 seconds and then blend it with the hand blender. Strain it with a fine chinois and leave it inside the fridge for at least a few hours. Then you can transfer it inside the ice cream machine or freezer and wait. And in the meantime, I will make easy croissant crumble, which I put underneath the ice cream later on. So I bake another croissant inside the oven until crispy, and then I blend it with the machine so I get a nice rough crumble. And let's do a quick taste test with my food inspector. And looks like the ice cream is good, so let's plate it. I put 1 spoon of croissant crumble on the plate, and then a nice quenelle of my croissant ice cream on the top. So what do you think, guys? Will you give it a try? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn another cool ice cream, I recommend you to check out this video and learn how you can make my delicious burnt butter ice cream at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.